Hi, welcome to our Smap3D Maritime System demo video. We will create an example pipeline with Viega Temponox, an economical high-quality complete system for press connections and closed heating and cooling circuits. It is made of stainless steel and is therefore corrosion resistant. So, let's start Smap3D piping. Once the model has been loaded, we click the Create Route command to start the pipe routing. First, we must enter a file name for the new piping assembly. Now we click on the manual route command. We have already created a Viega Temponox pipe specification. We will use pipe size DN32. So, let's start our first piping route in X and Y direction and then connect it to the connecting point. Smap3D piping helps us to get a perfect vertical Y direction using a normal MCAD software command. We continue to the same pattern and connect a second section to the next connection point. And we do the same a third time. Now we continue our piping in the next lower section of our model. Again, we use the Create Route and Manual Route commands to create a second pipeline using our pipe specification and the same DN32 diameter. We draw a vertical pipe section down for all three connection points and manually adjust the three pipes to the same length, so that they rest on the intermediate floor. Now, we continue the piping into Z direction with three pipe sections, also adjusted to the same length. Finally, we connect all three pipes again and create a new pipe section to the bottom level of our model, where we find the last connection point. Again, we use typical MCAD software functions to align the pipelines and adjust the pipe lengths. To get our final pipeline, we need to switch to detailed engineering mode. Here we can see that Smap3D has automatically inserted Viega pipes and additional components of size DN32 into the model according to the pipeline route we created. In this way, Smap3D can easily model all the pipes and fittings required for the Viega Temponox. Our maritime system demo pipeline is completed. For further information, please visit our website at www.smap3d.com or contact us by email or phone.